Hello everyone. This video is about how to analyze transactions in the accounting equation. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to analyze transactions using the accounting equation. You will be able also to prove the equality of the accounting equation. So let's begin our lesson. The basic accounting equation is stated as asset is equal to the liabilities plus owner's equity. In this lesson, we will use the accounting equation to analyze transaction. And here we are given 5 examples of transaction of a business. We should always remember that for each transaction, the accounting equation should always be equal. So let's begin. For transaction 1, the business received cash from owner as an investment, $10,000. Since the business received cash, the cash account will increase by $10,000. And since it's an investment, the owner capital account will also increase by $10,000. Always remember, if there's an investment, it will increase the owner's capital of the business. And we can see that asset is still equal to the liabilities plus the owner's equity. For the second transaction, the business bought supplies on account from supplier, amounting to $700. Here, we bought supplies, so the supplies account will increase by $700. But since this is bought on account, meaning it's a payable, so our payable, which is a liability, will increase by $700. So the accounting equation is still equal. For the third one, we paid cash for insurance. Payment of cash will always decrease cash. So this will be minus to our cash account, amounting to $1,000. But at the same time, we receive an insurance which is amounting to $100. So that will increase our insurance for $1,000. Prepaid insurance is still an asset because it's not yet used. When it is expired or used up, it will be considered as an expense. But for the meantime, the prepaid insurance is an asset. As you can notice, the asset which is in the left side of the equation is still equal to the right side of the equation for the liabilities and owner's equity, since there's no effect for the two part of the equation. So as you can see, the asset will be zero out, and that will be it's like there's no effect for the asset amount. So next one is paid cash for supplies. Again, payment of cash will decrease our cash, minus $300. Since we paid for supplies, our supplies account will increase by $300. Still, the equation is equal. There's no effect for liabilities and owner's equity. For the last one, which is paid cash on account to supplier, there's a payment of cash amounting to $500, so minus $500. And we paid for what? We paid our account to the supplier. So our account to the supplier will decrease by $500. And now, the effect on asset is a decrease, and the effect on the liabilities is a decrease. So there will be equality in the accounting equation. So now to summarize, so let's calculate all the totals. So the total for cash is $8,200. For accounts receivable, we don't have any transaction involving accounts receivable. For the supplies, we have $1,000. For the prepaid insurance, we have $1,000 only. Okay. For the accounts payable, we still have accounts payable amounting to $200. And for our capital, there's no additional investment by the owner, so it will be the same. It will be $10,000. Now we have to calculate the total asset. The total asset will be cash plus supplies plus the prepaid insurance, which is amounting to $10,200. And on the right side, we have the liabilities and owner's equity. So we have liabilities amounting to 200 plus 10,000. So we got here 10,200. And that completes our discussion on the equality of the accounting equation. And we learned how to use the accounting equation to analyze business transactions. Thank you.